Ek is 'n joggie by Desalze. Ek dra al 38 jaar golf. Ek is getroud 18 jaar. My vrou verdien haar salaris in die maand, maar dis nie baie nie. I can't see further than 5 meters. I need my eyes for my work. Dankie vir Desalze en Dr. Kree en die seun wat vir my gaan help. Ek waardeer dit.
Both these crystalline lenses are dislocated. I'm going to remove the dislocated lens, and then I'm going to fixate a intraocular lens on his sclera so that he can see again. So he's a caddy. He even caddies for some professional people, and both these lenses are dislocated and you can't see anything. I would like to thank the Desalze Golf Club for contributing to this operation. And I also would like to say thank you to the Gift of Sight, my foundation that is making a significant contribution to this operation. And also the Tiger Valley Eye and Laser Clinic and my team, as well as the sponsors. Some of my suppliers also were kind enough to donate some of the products for us so that we can help this patient.